Hi, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about the Zener diode voltage regulator. Where is the Zener diode voltage regulator is used? For example, if we have an ordinary power supply, so what is an ordinary power supply? It is nothing but a combination of a rectifier and a filter circuit, where its output is not constant. So, in order to get the constant output, irrespective of change of irrespective of the input voltages and load variations. So, irrespective of change in load and in changes, if we want to keep output constants, we use regulator. So here the regulator that we are using is Zener diode voltage regulator. So here we have a resistance R which is in series with the power supply. We have here power supply where our R is series, where we have RL load parallel with power supply. So we have plus minus output of this PS. So we are using Zener diode where it is reverse conducting with the input and output. So in this junction, the actual current that is coming out of the power supply is I. But in this junction, there we have two currents, that is IL which is going to load and IZ which is going to Zener diode, IZ. And the voltage across the diode is VZ. So output V out which should be constant. So here, if the voltage in the case 1, if case 1, what is the cases that two we have change of input voltage and the change in output load variations. So case 1, if voltage input voltage is increased, if input voltage is increased, then the current I increases, then I increases. Then here our Zener diode will absorb the maximum current. Then diode absorb max current. So then the voltage at IL will be constant. Then output IL will be constant, so that output voltage will be constant. See, the voltage increase, then the current I will increase. So that Zener diode will absorb the maximum current and flows out the constant voltage, current. So that having the constant current, the output voltages will be constant. If the Vin decreased, then Vin is decreased, then I will be decreased. So that the diode will absorb minimum current, then output IL will be constant, where keeping output voltage be constant. So this is about the case 1. This is about the case 1. Increase in input voltage and decrease in input voltage. So case 2, we have, if we are increasing load resistance. So suppose that input voltage is V is constant. So input voltage V is constant, but this is not constant. Output load resistance is not constant. Then when load RL changes, current IL also changes. So if the RL is changed, then the IL current will also changes. Where RL is decreased, if RL is decreased, then IL will increase. Then Zener diode IZ decreases. At the same way, by the same amount. So keeping I as a constant and where if I is constant, then output will be constant. So if load resistance RL increases, then IL will decrease. Hence, IZ will increase. So that the output will be constant, the output current will be constant, which keeping output voltage constant. By how this equation is balanced? By means of I is equal to IL plus IZ. So if IL increase, IZ decreases, keeping I constant. If IL decreases, IZ increases, balance on by balancing, I keeping constant. So this is about the cases that we have about a regulator where we are used Zener diode. So this is about the today's class. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.